Hello class, hope you are doing well. यूपी पीसीएस मेंस जीएस 1 की कंटिन्यूड सीरीज़ में जो हम लोग कवर कर रहे हैं उसी में सोसाइटी का ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो कि हमने पिकअप किया है 2022 मेंस के पेपर से. सो लेट अस सी यहाँ पे क्या है. सो द क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन पॉवर्टी इज ट्रांसमिटेड over generations it becomes a culture. elucidate. So जैसा कि हम लोग करते आए हैं, we need to first focus on the keywords. So the keywords is poverty, generation and culture. So we need to explain it or we need to elaborate it. So this statement is given and you have to put forward your views. So now let us see. People living in poverty develop certain habits that cause their families to remain in poverty over generations. Okay, now here I mentioned one name of an anthropologist, Oscar Lewis, who said this is the culture of poverty. ये एक गरीबी का कल्चर बन जाता है. ये पूरा एक सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ये फीड हो जाता है कि नथिंग कैन हैपन नाउ, वंस पुअर विल ऑलवेज रिमेन पुअर. सी, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द टाइम ड्यूरिंग इंदिरा गांधी व्हेन शी फर्स्ट मेंशन्ड गरीबी हटाओ, दिस वाज द स्लोगन गिवन बाय हर, एंड आई बिलीव मोर देन 50 years have been passed. We are in 2023 and since even today also गरीबी अब तक हट नहीं पाई. Poverty is still prevalent. Okay, now what are the various reasons for that? So let us study further. It has been seen that people learn certain norms when they grow up in poverty, and this shapes the life choices the individual makes. So whenever we grow up, what we have seen since childhood, it remains inside us. So we are not able to change ourselves. That thing is very deeply rooted inside our very mind, and it is very much impossible to take that thing out. You must have seen the example of that the son of a rickshaw wala becoming SDM or getting selected in IPS, but those examples are 1 and 2 in nature. बट क्या आपने कभी देखा कि सारे ही ऐसे बच्चे आ रहे हैं? नहीं. वेरी फ्यू पीपल, एक्सेप्शनल पीपल. ओके, बट मोस्ट ऑफ अस, जो हम लोग का फैमिली लेवल रहता है सिंस चाइल्डहुड, वो वहीं तक सीमित हो जाता है और इट इज़ कंस्टेंट. नाउ व्हाट आर द वेरियस रीजंस फॉर दिस? सो आई हैव मेंशन्ड दिस रीजंस very clearly. They internalize certain values which leads to the precipitation of poverty over generation. एक के बाद एक जनरेशन भी गरीबी में जीने लगती है. People start thinking that now there is no option left. We are born poor, we will die poor. Okay. Now next point is we must support our answer with example also. Now I am giving you a very basic and very practical example. Not allowing children to attend government school due to fear that they will lose a labor. You must have noticed in your vicinity or in your area कि some people at the very age of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 they start working in their family small households and whatever their father or mother are doing. For example, the common thing is the maid system in our country, which is very much there in our country. It is not there in the Western world. Okay, so father thinks that if he has 3-4 children or like 3-4 son or daughter, so he will get a helping hand. For example, if you see a blacksmith, so he will engage his son into that business. If you see a cobbler, he will engage his son or daughter into that business. A rickshaw puller, और एन ऑटो ड्राइवर, he will also try कि मेरा बेटा मेरे साथ ऑटो चला ले. So this is the culture which we have developed. Okay, so that is what you need to write in the answer. Now you must have noticed there are various schemes of the government like Manrega and NHRM and this housing for all. Now that the government is giving financial support, but that support is crediting directly to the family, and in order to get that you need to build that house too, because you need a proof of that. So people are also getting engaged into labor work. Imagine a 10-12-year-old kid, he's doing like he's building up his house. Can you see the plight of our country? So that's the thing. Another example is depending on government distributed benefits, that is the freebies culture. Everybody likes कि मुफ्त की बिजली मिले, मुफ्त का राशन मिले. In the COVID times, we have seen how government has supported each and every people. Not even a single person from our country has died hungry. They were deaths, but they were due to other reasons. So ये भी एक कल्चर बन चुका है कि फ्री की राशन, फ्री की बिजली. So we should not be much more cohesive towards this decision of the government. Delhi government has made that women will be travel in free. DTC की बसों में women free में जाएंगी. बिजली 200 यूनिट तक उन्होंने फ्री कर दी. Because if you start giving people for free, they will take it for granted and they will stop working. Now this is the basic problem between socialism and capitalism. Okay, so if time permits, you can support your answer by giving one line also कि इसीलिए जो कैपिटलिस्ट कंट्री हैं दे फेवर वर्क. जो ज़्यादा काम करेगा वो ज़्यादा पैसा पाएगा, और जो कम काम करेगा वो नहीं पाएगा. एंड इफ़ यू ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, इट इज़ ऑल्सो राइट. दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई दे हैव प्रॉस्पर्ड और दे हैव गॉन फॉरवर्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट थर्ड पॉइंट इज accepting that they are doomed to be exploited and cannot rise up the ladder. Very obvious. हम लोग ये मान लेते हैं कि हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, या यही हमारे नसीब में लिखा है. इट इज़ दी like it is preordained, or that we will not be able to rise, or we will not be able to make our family or grow in life and to prosper. So ये हमारे इनहेरेंट हो जाता है. लाइक इट बिकम्स इनहेरेंट टू आवर नेचर. वी बिकम प्रोन टू इट, और इट इज़ द न्यू नॉर्मल. ओके, हम ये भी कह सकते हैं दैट इट इज़ द न्यू नॉर्मल एंड पीपल हैव एक्सेप्टेड इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस. नाउ समटाइम्स पुअर पीपल आर अनअवेयर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम. कुछ स्कीम के बारे में लोगों को पता ही नहीं चल पाता. ऐसा भी होता है. लाइक बहुत सारी स्कीम्स गवर्नमेंट लाती है, मैनी अ टाइम्स डिफरेंट स्कीम्स. डायरेक्ट बेनिफिशियरी ट्रांसफ़र, जनधन योजना हो गया, प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना हो गया, प्रधानमंत्री इरिगेशन के लिए, सोलर कुकर के लिए, बहुत सारी स्कीम्स आती हैं. व्हेन यू आर स्टडिंग प्रीलिम्स यू मस्ट बी अवेयर. सो इफ़ यू विश यू कैन मेंशन दैट कि दीज स्कीम्स डू नॉट परकुलेट डीप डाउन. ओके, सो ये हो गया. आफ्टर दैट ऑलवेज, as mentioned before, always try to conclude your answer with some beautiful lines. So I have written thus: sustained poverty generates a set of cultural attitudes, beliefs, values. This culture of poverty perpetuates over time, even if the structure condition that give rise to it in first place is not there anymore. So now you will write down key that even though the reason has stopped, yet poverty is there, and it is deeply rooted inside us. Thank you.